Bang bang guapo gang, back with another video, man. Zone in for 3 or 4 weeks and see what it does to your life. So, a little story. For me, I zoned in for the past 3 weeks and really grinded hard in school, mainly school and baseball and YouTube. As you guys have seen, I've been a lot more consistent and have been uploading every day or every other day, and that's because I really zoned in to my work for 3 weeks. Now, my theory is if you don't, so I hear a lot of like self-improvement guys say like zone in for 6 months or zone in for a year and see what it does. I think that's how you get burned out. I really do think that's how you burn out. My whole thing on life is live life in moderation. What I mean by that, grind hard, but have your fun. For me, my fun is going out with my friends, maybe having a couple drinks, going to a party, talking to girls, whatever it may be. That's my type of fun. But if I'm doing that every weekend, I'm not going to be the best I could be. But if I don't do that for a year, I'm going to get burnt out. So what I did is I haven't gone out in 3 weeks. And it also, and I don't know what I was about to say there. But yeah, I haven't gone out in 3 weeks, and let's first talk how it affected my baseball. So I was about halfway through my fall season, or a little over halfway. I was playing decent, right? I was going out once a week. And when I would go out for the one time a week, it was a very hard binge drink, and the calories were just insane. Like every Saturday, so my one drinking day was Saturday night, and I was probably consuming about 10,000 calories every Saturday. So it was also messing up my physique. This was my physique 3 weeks ago, and you probably saw that video. I was on 2,300 calories and couldn't lose weight. And even though I'm very active, I play college baseball. I'm a very active kid, and work out 6 days a week, 7 days a week. Lots of cardio, and I wasn't losing any more fat, which was weird. And then gave up alcohol, and like I said, that's like 10,000 calories every Saturday, because it's pizza, chips, chicken wings, whatever food I could get when I'm drinking, I eat, So my physique changed that much in just 3 weeks, and so I got leaner. And in the gym, I'm not gonna go far to say that I've gained strength, but it hasn't gone down at all, and I'm noticeably leaner, like a lot leaner. That's number one. Let's talk about baseball. So I was playing decent, right? Going out every Saturday, and I was playing decent. Kept going like 1 for 3, 1 for 4, single, and I was prioritizing my sleep. Every night I would try to get at minimum 8 hours of sleep. So my test levels through the roof, and my first game, the first weekend I didn't go out. That game I went 3 for 4 with a home run. Next game we played Ava Maria, and went 3 for 5 with a triple. And one of my outs was a hard line drive to the shortstop. And then we did an inter squad 2 days ago. It was the last day of the fall season. We inter squadded, went 2 for 4 with another triple. Line drive, short hop the fence. I was not hitting this good when I was going out and partying every weekend. So, but then again, I'm not going to completely give it up, because I do really enjoy, I'll be honest, I'm a social guy. I love going out with friends and having a good time, but I'm not going to be doing this every weekend. So my new approach, and this is an approach that I think is a very I guess mature approach, is you go out when you deserve it, or if there's something going on. So for me, that's every 3 or 4 weeks. 3 or 4 weeks of really zoned in work. Saturday night, I'm either in the gym or doing schoolwork, getting ahead on the following week, or editing videos, making videos, posting videos. And I'll do that for 3 or 4 weeks. And then the week that I go out, that one day I go out, I'll let loose and have a good time. And in my opinion, that's how you don't get burned out. And that day's today for me. I'm letting loose today, and that'll be a whole separate video, but I'm probably gonna vlog that and just let loose. And it's been a little while since I've gone out. Another quick tip that I did is there was one Saturday where I was like, dude, I don't want to be in my apartment tonight. I really don't have much to do. I want to go out with some friends, but I don't want to party. So what I did is I offered to be the sober driver for that night, and I think that's a really smart way. If you want to go out with friends and they're all going to be partying and drinking and all that, then offer to be a sober driver. You're not going to get peer. If you have good friends, they're not going to. Yeah, I mean, unless you have crappy friends or shitty friends, they're not going to peer pressure you to drink. You're driving, and people are going to like be like, "Oh, thank you, bro." Like they're going to like you for offering to be a sober driver, and you get to go out. So it's a win-win situation. So I did do that. I think that was 2 weeks ago. I was a sober driver for Saturday. I said I'll drive you guys. I'll be around till 2 a.m. and going to sleep. But yeah, it worked out well. So yeah, really zone in for 3 or 4 weeks, then have your fun, then zone back in the next day for 3 or 4 weeks, and just watch it change your life. Every aspect of my life got better. So, but needless to say, I'm not gonna say I'm just gonna give up going out. I'm in college. I'm in a fraternity. I mean, I'm gonna have my fun, but I strongly believe you gotta put in the work, and then you have your fun. Like, what's the point of life of just grinding 24/7 if you're not gonna enjoy it, you know? So that's my aspect. That's my view on life. Obviously, it might change. I'm only 20 years old, you know. I'm only 20 years old, junior in college. My aspects on life change a lot, but that's my aspect right now. Grind hard and reap the benefits, enjoy the benefits. And that's all for today's video. Bang, bang, wap, wap, out.